Hello, welcome back to Teslagrad. My name is Rocket Dog. Let's continue our adventure, shall we? Alright. Come on over here. Looks like there's a thing up there. Let's go get it. And we just jump across this. Up here, right? Jump, and go, and jump. Okay, we made it. Good. Alright, there's another one of those things. Not sure exactly what those do. Okay. Were we in here? Yeah, that's where we came from when we started. So... looks like there's a place up there we can get to. Come on, gimme. Yeah. Okay, good. Okay, blocks, thingy, hello, goodbye. Okay, so I'm guessing, what, jump on this thing? What's down here? Okay, looks like there's a pathway over there. If we can get to that one. Cool. Can we get another one of these? Hey, come here. You. And you. Come on. Fine. We'll go do it over again. Come on. Come on. Just one of you. And make you red and make you red. Okay. Can we make you blue now? Let's make you red just so that you fall down. And you red too. Okay? Okay. See? And that's why we made you red. So that you come down here. And then we jump up here. Like this. Oh, hey, look, a thing. What'd that do? Turned off our electricity. Nice. Let's get up in here. Jump across. And we're back in here. Okay, climb up the thing. Get over here. Jump. Blink. Okay. What's in here? Ooh. Oh, they come back. Okay. What's over here? What's over here? Oh. Okay. And run. And okay. Keep trying here. And go. Jump. Get out of the way. Where do we go? Jump. Get up here. Jump down. Nope. Oh, that was close. What's over there? I see what's happening. Hello. Hey, there's a thing. Cool. Stay over there. Nope. There we go. Are these things gonna be crazy for a little bit? Hello? Change, please, so that I can have you more regular. Would be nice. Anytime now. Anytime. Okay, I guess not. I guess we're just gonna go over here. Up, nope. And can we get... nope, we can't get down. Alrighty. Up, run. Jump. And run. No. Damn. Alright. And jump. And run. Down. Jump up. Run this way. Okay, jump up. And jump up again. Okay, yeah, so, yeah. Where are we going now? We have to go over here. Stay here. Okay. John, now. Go, 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 go. Oh, made it. This way? Ooh. Crow. Hello, crow. Oh, there's another one. What does this do? Go. Okay, there's a thing we can hit here. Go across down here. Thing there. Gravesite, it looks like. Okay. Continue. So it looks like we have to hit this blue thing and then jump across like that. Yeah, okay. Alright, now we have a lift, I guess. Ooh. What's over here? Gotta come this way first. Nothing. Okay. Over. And jump. And up, I guess. Come over here. Hi. Red flower? That doesn't help. Blue, okay. We'll check that out later. Gimme. And jump, go. Aha. Okay. Up. How do we get up there? Hi, bird. Jump. Go across. No, nope, wrong way. What is that? Yeah, okay. Good. And then, is there, yeah. Got it. Sweet. Up. And there's a blue thing. Whoa. Ah, damn. I think this is gonna be fun. All right, and up. Oh, well, that was unexpected. All right. Okay, it's over here. Okay. Oh no. Okay. Upsy-daisy. Okay. Up, over, zip, up, over, and over. Oh, almost had it. Up, and up. There we go. Go this way. Let's go see what's over here. Here's a thing. A lift. Nothing. So we must get something that use this lift because I don't see one of those blue things around anywhere. Alright. Go across, go over here, go up. Another lift. They remind me of those things in Portals. For the life of me, I can't remember what they're called. They're like transportation things. Hey, look, there's a scroll or a... They kind of look like Lego studs. They remind me of Lego studs. Up. Nothing here. Up, and across. Go over here, up. Looks like there's a thing here. Maybe. Yep, there's another one here. Is there another one? Jump. Oh, barely. Looks like there's... Yep. Okay. Nope, there wasn't one there. Well, damn. Alright. Okay. Oh, hello. Is there one up there? Why would they put that there if there wasn't one up there? Okay, we're gonna go and... Oh, wrong. Ah. Okay, frustrating. Let's go over here and jump. Okay. Ah. Mm-hmm. Nope. Nope. Oh, grab it, grab it. Oh, come on. Grab it. Nope, that one wasn't even close. Jump. Grab it. Grab it. Come on, buddy. Come on. Just grab it. Just grab the thing. Just grab it. Ah, nope. Not even. Nope. 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 Oh, you know what? Well, I'm dumb. Okay, let's try this one more time. Jump and zip. Ah, haha. See? There you go. That's how you do it. Right there. Go across and up. And jump. No, that's not how you do it. Jump and go. Zip. There we go. Ah, finally. And jump. Zip. Yeah, got it. Yeah. Hey, check it out. We got one. Oh, go over. Okay, now we can start doing some real work here. Let's go down. And down. Up. And over. Yeah? Okay. We had to go this way, right? To go up here. And go over here. And should we try those stones again? I think so. Okay. And go over here. Whoop. Okay. Try these stones again over here, the hanging things. Things. I say things a lot. Jump over. Jump over. Jump. Okay. And got it. Okay. Jump. There we go. Okay. Up, 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 up. Up, 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 up. Alright. Let's go see what's up here. Uh-oh. What are you? Ah, don't scream at me like that. Ah! No, 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 no. What? Oh. Aha! Gotcha. Where are you going? No. Okay. Start again. Go. Yeah, bring it. Bring it. Yeah. Got you, bitch. Oh. Oh. What? What the hell? Uh-oh. Okay, those blow up. Don't touch them. Nope. Nope, gotta... Nope. That way. Zip out of there. Alright, let's see if... Nope. Okay, now when he lays that egg thing, we're gonna see if we can get it all the way over here to where it doesn't blow up our bridge. Jump! Ah, okay. We have one bridge left. And zip. Okay. Now, zip over here. And then he's gonna lay eggs. Will they fall down the thing? Will they fall down? Nope, they're not gonna fall down. Okay. Zip. And zip. Hit him. Jump. Jump. Yeah! Haha, birdie. Gotcha. Do we get, like, super hearts or anything? Can we get, like, Zelda? No? No superpowers? What's over here? I don't remember it being lightning outside. Or, yeah. Being a lightning storm. Oh! Hey, check that out. We got a hood. What does it do? Left, right, down. So if we... Woo! Well, that'll come in handy. Whee! Sweet.